And next time you are working on your bar stools, if you got bar stools that are black or kind of dark, or look at this furniture there. See, that's all dark. Here's some more dark furniture. Here's a dark piece here. Anything that's dark, you can touch it up. You don't need any special paint. What am I going to use? Kaboom. Permanent marker, Sharpie. And I like the one that's real fat. And you can get a small one for nooks and crannies, but this thing works good. You know, I see this is all marked up from people sitting here putting their feet on it. I'm just going to blacken it up. And I can check the legs on it. You know, anything on this that I need. Whatever I see, I can use my Sharpie on. And it pretty much goes away. Okay? It's going to be way better than not doing anything at all. You know? And nobody's going to know the difference. They're going to think I used something special for it. All I used was my good old Sharpie. I see another rail here. Right here. Kaboom. Looks way better. You can check out the whole chair. Here's some more. It's a good way to keep your furniture all checked out. And the coffee table had all kinds of marks on it, all the way along this edge where people sit here and they put their feet up there and slide them around. And I just took this right along there, and sometimes you're going to need 2 coats. I put 1 coat on there, and you can look at it and see in the areas that you need to put a 2nd coat, let's say. Okay, try that next time for your touch-up. Yeah, I saw some more on this one here. Now see, this one is not black, but look at that big old gouge. I'm just going to take my same marker. It's got some black in it, you know, this furniture. Once I put this on here, it's going to look a lot better than that. I can just kind of dab it. This is where I could use my Sharpie that's got a small tip. Let's say you kind of wipe on there. A little dab will do you, huh? Having a hard time getting my tip in there, but it's going. It's not such an eyesore. It's not going to be perfect, but you know, isn't that a lot better than how it was before? Magic marker. And this Sharpie says permanent marker. And I think the other Sharpies are like that too. Okay, I look better? There you go. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.